I'm joined now by ABC News contributor Kan Nawaday, a former federal prosecutor, Southern District of New York. Kan, thanks for joining us. We have talked about this particular issue several times. We're getting a closer look at the details now that the committee has released the full tax returns. Anything that you've seen so far that could open the president up to a future prosecution?
Absolutely nothing I've seen so far leads me to think that there's going to be any criminal exposure for criminal tax violations from what's been reported. A lot of the things that have been reported maybe expose the former president to an audit or a civil proceeding, but nothing criminal.
We should note that the House committee releasing these returns publicly, but others have had portions of the former president's tax returns for other investigations, right? And
then that's absolutely right. And that's another reason why I don't think there will be any criminal prosecution, at least for tax violations. You're absolutely right, Phil. The New York Attorney General's office, as well as the Manhattan DA's office, they fought long and hard, went to the Supreme Court to get these tax returns. They've had them, and they've never brought any charges against the former president for any criminal tax violations.
And this is an issue. A lot of people in this country felt if you're going to run for president, we should be able to see your tax returns, especially if you're a businessman like the former president who had business all over the world. He chose not to do that. Now these tax returns are out there. I think in a couple of years, 16, 17, he paid something like $750 a year. In 2020, it looks like he paid nothing. Is this more of a political issue for him than a legal issue?
I think that's absolutely right. And the reason it's not a legal issue is that there are a myriad of tax avoidance methods that people can use that are perfectly legal to avoid tax.
And again, his core supporters will think this is nothing, and some of the people in this country will say, see, and none of it will really matter legally, as you're saying, but politically, I mean, he is a candidate for president, so we'll see what happens next.
That's right.
Kan Nawaday, thanks so much. Really do appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.